Dear, thank you for joining my channel. I'm on the Consumer Report website. I want to share with you a couple things. The title is which car brands make the best vehicles, and interestingly enough, Tesla has made it into the top 33. They're actually in 11th place. They're up 8 points. They're at 11th place in 4 categories. Let me read them to you. They ask, how do we rank the car brands? The road test scores are for vehicles purchased by Consumer Report and run through more than 50 tests. So this is not people's cars. This is Consumer Report actually buy these cars and test them themselves. Reliability predictions are based on problems reported by Consumer Report members in 17 trouble areas. That's second category. Owner satisfaction from surveyed CR members reflects whether drivers would purchase the same car if they had to do it again. That is a very interesting one. And safety include crash test result and extra points awarded to proven advanced safety features that come standard for the model. So as you can see, Porsche is number 1. After that, Genesis, that's a Hyundai, Subaru, Mazda, Lexus, Audi, Hyundai, BMW, Kia, the Mini, and then Tesla comes in 11th place. Now, Tesla and Consumer Report had a very strange relationship, to say the least, and Tesla was the darling of Consumer Report at the beginning. Then it did not make the list in terms of reliability. Let me just tell you, from a Tesla owner, I'm not a Consumer Report member, so I don't get to vote on this. But let me tell you from my experience after close to 52,000 miles on my Tesla Model 3, and that is the most reliable car I've ever driven in my life. In such a short period of time, racking all these miles, and it's basically, I can tell you that it's basically on the fact that the car always turns on in the morning, which is a big, huge deal for reliability, that it doesn't die or whatever that is, which happens to me in so many gasoline cars. That the car is, it is what it says it is. In other words, it performs to the specs that it has. Besides the software upgrades and the charging and all that stuff. But in terms of just reliability, build quality, the fact that you can count on the car to do what it says it's supposed to do, and all the features, all the technological features that it has, it's just incredible how in short period of time Tesla, being a new car manufacturing company, has made this. So I can tell you, if I had to be a person who does this rating, I would put Tesla in first place based on my experience. And I own a lot of cars from all kinds of brands, and I am stranded with brand new cars even. None with Tesla, none really. It's one of the best cars, not one of them. It's the best car I've ever bought. If you ever bought, if you own a Tesla, please comment just on this part. Is your Tesla a reliable car? And again, to me, reliability is that it turns on in the morning, doesn't strand you on the highway. That's to me like the 2 most important things beside everything else. All right, guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy. Give me your comments and see you tomorrow.